Hello everyone, welcome back into my third video of today on 8th December 2024. Let's start it without wasting our time. Learn together, okay? Let's start it. If you have any question about this video, after every word and after every single character, must write in the comments, then I will respond to you, okay? I will tell you. Welcome to MrBeast's epic adventure in the land of fire and ice. Yes, okay, that is right. Iceland. Today we are diving into a unique blend of finance, business, health and tourism, all wrapped in one incredible journey. First of all, let's talk about finance. Iceland's economy has seen remarkable growth thanks to its focus on sustainable energy and tourism. As a business minded individual, I am always looking for opportunities, and Iceland is a prime example of how smart investments in renewable resources can pay off. Imagine harnessing geothermal energy to power your next big venture. Now, speaking of tourism, Iceland is a hotspot for travelers seeking adventure. From the breathtaking northern lights to the stunning blue lagoon, this century offers experiences that are not only memorable but also boost local businesses. Every traveler contributes to the economy, so when you visit, you are not just having fun, you are supporting the community. Okay, if you have any question, must write in the comments. Next, let's touch on health. With its pure air and natural landscapes, Iceland promotes a lifestyle centered around wellness. Did you know that outdoor activities like hiking and swimming in natural hot springs can significantly enhance your physical fitness? It's a reminder that health is not just about gym workouts; it's about embracing nature. Okay, and finally, sports and fitness. Icelanders have a deep-rooted passion for sports, especially soccer and handball. Engaging in local sports can be an exhilarating way to connect with the culture while also keeping fit. Okay, whether you are joining a local game or exploring the rugged terrain through hiking or biking. What is hiking or baking? But you know their meanings. Otherwise, I tell you, just ask your questions in the comments. Okay, if you have any about this third video of 8th December 2024, there is no shortage of ways to stay active. So there you have it: finance, business, innovation, health benefits, and thrilling adventures await in Iceland. Join me on this epic journey where every moment counts. Don't forget to like and follow for more incredible adventures. Bye for now. Subscribe for more. If you have any question, then just ask in the comments. Okay, bye for now. Subscribe please.